me cleaning the car per usual. This literally happened one day after we did the whole paint correction, so it didn't even last a day. Car looks thrashed. We're gonna give it a good clean. My boy Rylan, he has an F80 M4 and his full bolt-on. Oh, sorry, I thought there was a speck on the screen. It's full bolt-on, and I think he's on fully 85 and port injection. So we're gonna get a run in tonight. This thing's just wastegate, not E85. I do have port injection, it's just not running right now. It'll be a good run, honestly. I don't even know who's gonna win. Just gonna be a fun run. I'm gonna clean this thing up. Y'all get to see this going. Someone flamed me for having these on, so I'm taking them off. I'm just kidding. I actually wrapped these just because I had extra tint and I was bored. But I don't really like the look of it, so I am gonna take it off. Yeah. Whoever didn't like it, I hope you're happy, all right? It's like peeling that thing off the fucking iPhones when you get them and they're brand new. Start feeling like shoddy up.
I live a thought life, I don't let people win. They say I smoke too much, but this my medicine. Don't get the wrong impression, I'm about my president. So Rost on my life, look at the evidence. And would you shoot for me, cause I would kill for you. I like the way you dance, you got no point to prove. I shine just like a jewel, my baby that's my boo. We both was off the goop, and swerving in my coupe. Depression setting in, so grab my medicine. The cops looking for it, I hide the evidence. Bitch, I'm intelligent, they say I'm heaven sent. Life feel like hell on earth, I fly high like a blimp. Girl, why you fuck with him? You know that nigga simp. He say he got a bag, that boy is not a pill. All up.
Sweat my ass off now, but car's clean. Looking super good. Now we're gonna go head over to Braden's house and try and do a relocation kit on his car. We're gonna go single turbo with his soon. So doing that, prep it for the single turbo kit. It's gonna make the whole process a little bit easier. And then we're gonna run Rylan's car. So let's get to it. No AC, so windows straight down, just fucking watermark. Yo! Yo! Daddy's here. Adrenaline coolant. Relocating this to the other side, so we can put the single turbo on this bitch. Pretty much got this whole relocation line on. It's not too hard. Just cut this off, stick this thing in here, fucking hose clamp it up. And then boom, this thing goes right over here. And essentially this has to connect to what Braden's trying to fuck up right now. Trying to get this fucking thing off. But once that gets off, it's just the connection that goes to the bottom of this coolant reservoir. And then you just hose clamp this to that, and then boom. It's relocated. Done. Done fucking deal. Rylan's in his car, he's full bolt-ons. Confirmed E50, not port injection or anything like that. So should be a really good race, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I want to try some anti-lag on this head. Let's wait.
I threw a code. I gotta like
oh shit.
Reset my car real quick. Yeah, I'm just gonna like pull over right here.
Okay, bet.
BMW down. ready to race.
Ready to rip. Ready to fucking rumble. I'll be honest, y'all, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing on this thing. Let's see, 21 pounds. Bro, I do not know how to work this fucking boost controller, bro.
Maybe you need to go.
Okay, I got it down. We're at 20 psi now. We should be good.
It's busy on here.
That was fun. Okay, I want another run. I want to do it again. Wait, so where are we doing it?
I think it's up like a couple miles.
Okay.
It's like, you know where we
Yeah. Yeah.
that stretch right there.
Okay, I'm down. Yo, that was neck and neck. That was a good ass fucking race. Holy fuck.
Yeah, make a left here.
Alright, y'all.
My baby, that's my boo. We both was off the go and swerving in my coupe.
Damn!
I took her to my hood.
Anyways, we just got home. It's like 2 in the morning. That race was fucking nuts. So much fun. I'm hyped for winter now. I'm ready to turn this bitch up. But yeah, that was a crazy ass race. And if you guys like that video, let me know. And if you guys want to see some more, like, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. That's it. 335 wastegate versus fucking M4 full bolt-ons E52. Fun ass race, good ass times. But I'm gonna catch y'all later.
Change. It's funny how it works. Now you are stuck in pain.